viewers of Expo Biz with Mazar. Normally people understand that the exhibition work is very easy and people can make it with moments, but actually you can just see that this front facial logo, that is lighted logo of this company, and this man who is actually literally like hanging in the way and just standing on the ladder from last 2 hours. He's doing this hard work with the help of another helper. So he is actually fixing this logo over here. And you know that on making this logo, it took also many hours, and designing this logo, it also took many hours, and fixing this logo is also very hectic task. So you can understand that exhibition work is not easy, rather it's very complex and gigantic work actually. And ultimately when the stand is completed with neat finish, so we get satisfied only at that time. So this effort is not one-man effort. Rather, making this, you can see that it's a 6 by 6 square meter stand, or you can say 20 by 20 feet stand, but it has actually completed with the help of around 20 to 25 people who worked on it from starting from its planning, starting then designer to designers actually designed, then he put into production, where one master carpenter, two master carpenter were heading this project, and 6-7 workers were helping to modifying and molding the wood and other materials in this. And then paints guy actually painted it, 3-4 painters actually worked on it, and then the graphic guys who worked on for the making these beautiful graphics over here. And then finally a lot of people are actually part of this project who finally that it gets completed. So just to make you understand that exhibition work is not easy, but finally when it gets done everything, so we can say yes, we have done it. So this is the beauty and this is the happiness which finally you get it. And if the client is satisfied with all the work, otherwise again there is a mess, again there are a lot of things actually happen because it's a momental work. Only this exhibition, any exhibition lasts for 2 days, 3 days, or maximum 4 days, and but in this planning a huge long time is required. This exhibition in which I am today, this exhibition happens annually. I mean, after 1 year this happens, and in this exhibition the planning starts 6 months earlier. So 6 months earlier planning starts, and 2 or 3 days of the build-up time. And in this build-up time actually we do the building everything and execute well before the inauguration of time. We are the people who are to complete each and everything before morning next day. So because tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. this exhibition is going to start, so before this we have to complete everything, rather even putting the exhibits of the exhibitor company who is here. So finally I'm telling you the concluding remarks are this, that this is not an easy work. It requires, but huge economy is involved in it, and employment of many people is involved. I mean, this small stand which is just in front of you has given employment for 4, 5 days, 6 days to around 25 people. So in this way the government encourages, the stakeholder encourages, and there are a lot of exhibition actually happen in the country. Then we can have a lot of revenue, we can engage a lot of people in it, we can make good money for our people and can get progress. Thank you very much.